Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where we're going to be repotting some of those brassica seedlings there. They're looking quite healthy, but they do need to be repotted. We're going to be potting them into some 9cm pots, so we'll get them more established before they go outside. So as you can see, some are quite bigger than others, but once they get repotted they'll have a bit more space. We've still got some that have fell over, and there's others germinated later, so we'll prick some of the small ones out. But the varieties we have is cauliflower all year round, cabbage January King, cabbage Golden Acre, and cabbage earliest of all. And then we also have some Brussels sprouts Evesham special. As you can see, some of our sunflowers definitely need planting out, but we haven't quite got to that yet. But today we're going to be planting these brassicas into some of these little pots here. We've got quite a few, so we'll get potting these things up. I've got some compost here. I don't know if it's organic or not, to be honest. Didn't really check. Bit of a rush to go get it, but it should be fine. It's not like we're using loads of pesticides or anything. We're just trying to make things a bit more environmentally clean, if you will. So yeah, I think that's what we'll do. So I think I will start with the cauliflower. Brassicas always go a bit floppy when they're seedlings, but you can support them in their new pot and get them growing strong again. As you can see, they're a bit wilted as it has been very warm today. Even though we watered them last night, they still have wilted. So I'm just going to use some little pots here. What I'm going to do is fill it up just a little bit with compost and press the seedling in. It's all about knowing how deep you need to put them. So I'm just going to just bury the bottom of the stem only a little bit. Just going to carefully take these seedling leaves off, as they're really going to get in the way. So I'm going to pack it in with compost nice and firm. It's hard to get it central because the plant will flop over sometimes, but there we go. There's our first one. It looks very wilted and everything, but it will pick up and start to grow straight again once it gets watered, and it will pick up overnight, as it's usually quite cooler then, and they will start to grow quite nicely. So I'm going to do cauliflower and then label them all, and then I'm going to move on, step by step, if you will, plant by plant, if you will. So as you can see here, we have some that germinated after we pricked them out, so they can just be scrunched up, and the best one left. So yeah, we'll try and get some of these potted up. So these are what we've done. Got a few here as well. Got Brussels cabbage, different varieties of cabbage, and some cauliflower as well. As you can see, you know, some are quite strong, and then you've got some smaller ones, but they're all looking good. So hopefully they will grow quite nicely. This may have been a short video, but I just wanted to show you what I'm up to and show you how I do mine. So, you know, if they're flopping over a bit, like this one was, just pot it up a little bit below or above those seedling leaves to support it, because they always go a bit wonky, these cabbages and that do, these brassicas, as you can see. But you know, they'll grow quite nicely. I think everything else is looking good, so hopefully these will too. So I hope you enjoyed this video or found it useful, and if so, remember to click that like button and press subscribe with notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So these cabbages are looking quite nice now. I've got a golden acre here. They'll need watering again as they dry up very quickly in this heat, but hopefully they'll get growing a little bit more. We'll clear some of the ground and put some more muck on hopefully, and then we will be able to plant those out and harden them off. So stay tuned for more updates on these plants and when we plant them out. So apart from that, thank you very much for watching, and if you want to watch my latest video, just click up here, and to watch when we first planted these from seed, just click below it. And apart from that, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I know it was a short one, but I hope to see you all in the next one. So bye bye everybody.